Storms hit around the viewing area throughout last week. Strong winds and hail blew into Lowndes and Noxubee counties Friday afternoon and left behind damage to people's property. Desmond Matthews talked to some local business owners about the increase in the calls they've received and what people should do moving forward. And he joins us in the studio with more. Desmond?
That's right, Winston. Friday's hailstorm made several people busy this Monday. Insurance agents and body shops in our area. Repairs are just starting for many people, and for those two agencies, they're doing what they can to get people the repairs that they need. Strong storms and hail hit Lowndes and Noxubee counties hard on Friday, and it left people's property damaged.
We have not seen a lot of storms recently that had hail of that size and that significance. And not only was it significant size hail, but it came down for 10 or 15 minutes from what I understand. So we actually have a couple people that are employees of ours that have had some pretty significant hail damage themselves.
Brent Galloway at Galloway Chandler McKinney says he and his team have received several calls from people whose homes and vehicles suffered damage. Galloway shares his first piece of advice for clients making a homeowner's claim.
We typically advise people to have a licensed roofer come look at their roof if they're unsure if they've got hail damage, or they know that there was a little bit of hail but they're not sure if it really damaged the roof. We'd like a licensed roofer to look at it first to make sure that there was some damage before filing a claim, because once you put a claim on your record, it's there and it kind of goes against your claim record. So we want to make sure that there's some significant damage there prior to filing a claim, and then we can have an adjuster and a roofer look at it together.
Over at Bob's Parts and Auto Body Shop, Friday's hail is causing a flood of customers coming in to get estimates and repairs on their vehicles. General Manager Ashley Denton says they have had more than 6 cars dropped off early today due to damage, and it's the first time he's seen hail damage to this extent.
Overall damage, depending on which way the storm comes in. So what normally happens is, in these type of things with storm damage or hail damage, you'll have the vehicle that's usually pointed to the storm, and then you can see as it's coming through on what side the vehicle was pointed most of the time. And when it's really, really bad, the vehicle itself, all around it has it.
Denton says even with all of the people that have come in with damage, he feels his staff will be able to get people back on the roads in no time.
If it's a smaller repair, a week and a half, 2 weeks, potentially up to 6 weeks, depending on parts availability or how long the repair takes on how big the job is.
And both Galloway and Denton encourage people who haven't called their insurance company to do so they can go ahead and get a quote to get their property fixed.